Slingsby Sailplanes Limited had its origins in the early 1930s when Fred Slingsby, an ex-RAF pilot, began manufacturing versions of the German-designed RRG Fokker glider at his woodworking and furniture factory in Scarborough, England. Demand was such that by 1939 the company was founded at premises near Kirkby Moorside and production of a series of successful training and sport glider designs began. The Slingsby T49B Capstan was a two-seat training and club glider introduced by Slingsby in 1961. It was Slingsby's last wooden two-seat design, intended to replace the earlier T21B training glider. It featured the British preference for side-by-side seating, but unlike its open cockpit predecessor, it was fitted with a one-piece perspex canopy. 34 T49B Capstans were built, including one, the T49C, fitted with a 45 horsepower engine mounted on a fixed pylon behind the cockpit. This particular aircraft is T49B Capstan, construction number 1414, British Gliding Association registration BG1191.